can't wait to present you the lesson 11. Welcome back. The 5 most effective kicks everyone can do. Today we're going to learning the side kick, the high strut kick, front sweep kick, back sweep kick, also the tornado kick. Let's go. On 1, make step your right and get ready. Both hand on front of you, go lower. And 3, your toe up like this way. And you go straight low and your heel up. Now your left hand and right hand go behind for you like this position. And your leg to go this direction and to make sweep. So rotate by your toes. So very important, your body have to stay in the center. Don't lean front or back. So you can keep good balance and with a smooth circle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, step right, and 2, both hand, and 3, toe up, and 4, stay low, heel up, and both hand go back, and twist, stay center, and your target is right there. And 7. 1, make step. 2, double palm. Number 3, right hand right here, left hand right here, twist. Keep your body straight and your heel up. Rotate by your toe. And your leg will be sweep. You push your hand to get more speed. And you will kick the target and come back. Finish. Back sweep is a reverse side of a front sweep. Both of these kicks, you need to keep your body in the center. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and bow, and step, and get ready. Repeat. Go. Let's go half first, and 2, and 3, and 4. And you can do the same way. You come back. Half. And you go straight, and you go 4. 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, step right. 2, get ready. 3, move your right leg. 4, knee lift. 5, 45, lean back. And 6, kick. Straight your knee and kick to the target. For a side kick, if your body lean more to the side, and you can have a higher kick. Find something can support you and lower. You can put your hand on the target you want to attack. If you want to attack the target right here, your body adjusts lean a little bit. And you go knee lift, and you go kick right there. Great. If you want to attack a little higher, your body have to lean a little bit more. So you go a little bit more, and you go boom, attack right there. If you want even higher, so your body lean a little bit more. You go lean, you bend, and you go really kick. You can to attack very high kick. Step. And 2, get ready. Number 3, to make a step forward. To kick straight up outside of the target. Press down. Stretch kick. Very important to kick outside of your target and straight up. The more high you go, the more power you have. So you go kick down to the target. Down, you can use heel or full of your foot. And kick down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Step. 2, get ready. Number 3, stop. Right arm go up. Number 4, knee lift. Number 5, you try to jump and switch. Number 5. Number 6, kick. For tornado kick, also we called jumping inside kick. If you want to achieve this kick, you need to know inside kick first. You find lower target to start. Kick up straight and go inside to over the target. This is the inside kick. And also you can go lower target. Low. Low. Hope you enjoy the lesson 11. Definitely you get to see you the lesson 12 very soon.